In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert a pre-built table in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a project or simply want a streamlined way to present information, pre-built tables can be a fantastic resource to help you save time and ensure consistency. Let's dive in and explore how you can effortlessly incorporate these tables into your own Google Sheets document. First, you will need to have your Google Sheets document open and ready. Once you've got that set up, look to the top menu bar and locate the Insert option. Clicking on Insert will open up a drop-down menu with various items that you can add to your document. It's a handy feature that accommodates everything from images to charts, making your data look as clear and professional as possible. From the options listed, you'll want to select Pre-built tables. Pre-built tables can significantly reduce the time it takes to set up a structured dataset by providing you with ready-made templates. By leveraging this feature, not only do you gain consistency in data presentation, but also the templates incorporate common structures to enhance comprehension and appeal. Once you click on Pre-built tables, you'll see a selection of templates designed to suit different data organization needs. Depending on what type of information you are handling, be it financial data, schedules, or to-do lists, there will be a table that fits your requirements. Choose the table that aligns best with your data by simply clicking on it. This action will seamlessly integrate the selected table into your document, formatted and ready for input. Now that your pre-built table is inserted, you may want to make some adjustments to ensure it matches your specific needs. This might include filling in data, adjusting the width of columns, or even changing font styles to better fit the aesthetic of your document. Remember, even though these tables come pre-designed, they are completely customizable to align with your style preferences. After setting your table just the way you want, you're almost finished. At this point, look towards the top right corner where you'll see an option to close this menu. Clicking on Close finalizes the process of inserting your pre-built table and clears the display, leaving you free to interact with the table smoothly. And there you have it, a quick and efficient way to insert pre-built tables into your Google Sheets document. With a little practice, you'll be able to utilize these tables to manage and present your data more effectively. Hopefully, this tutorial has equipped you with a valuable skill that enhances your productivity and organizational capabilities in Google Sheets. Thank you for watching, and be sure to explore other features that Google Sheets has to offer to make your data work for you.